Hello everybody, this is P8, ASICS P8,
ASICS P8.
3 of them.
Ну, три именно P8. Topolino на P8.
This is a decoder Topolino for P8. It can open not only P8 but all ASICs, all single row Cisa, all ASICs. But now I'm going to open P8. There is an upper row, but it is not active. The tension is more or less normal, but do the impression movement very lightly. Tension and like this. So, well, apparently it got into anti-picking. Then we will put this one aside now and take the next one. Later we will see how it will work further. So, another P8. We do a reset. Well, this one went well, fast. I'll take the third one. Another P8. So I do a reset. Let's see, it's even. The impression movement do very light, with 2 fingers, very light. Well, very fast. But it jumps a little. If it jumps in the other direction, we can try to do it like this with a sharp movement, without force, without any force, turn it around. It doesn't always work, but do it without force, because if you do it with force, it will break. Well, and that's it. It's already gone wrong here. Let's try again with the one we didn't open. Maybe it will work the second time it happens. We do a reset. No, here you can see right away that it hits the anti-picking. This one will not be opened already. Well, we opened 2 out of 3 and the second one was snipping in one direction. Well, that's how the Topolino decoder works. If anyone thinks it's magical, it's such a tool and that's how it works. It doesn't give 100%. And by the way, if we take our impression tool with foil now, we can open the third lock by changing the thickness of the foil. Let's say if some lock doesn't open, just change the thickness of the foil, put in a thicker one, and we will open all 3. That is, in some cases, in this case, P8 will be opened with our impression tool with foil because it is possible to change the thickness of the foil and in general there is a higher chance of opening. And Topolino works like this, well, also not bad, fast, but not 100%. This is Topolino for all ASICs, including P8. Prices for impressions with foil and this Topolino decoder will be on our website.